I have to sneeze. Now, where were we, you clever, cute little... Achoo! This could be a problem. Achoo! Oh, please, little dust bunnies. Give it one more try. For me. I know it must be difficult with me sneezing all the time. I can't control my sneezing long enough to rehearse.
Well, you could try covering your nose with something, like a surgical mask.
That's a fantastic idea. Sorry. Wait till we get out there and...
Ground pepper, mademoiselle?
It makes me...
Oh, allow me.
Ow.
Spend some quality time together.
Yeah, I can't wait.
What was that?
Nothing? It wasn't a sneeze, if that's what you're thinking.
Are you okay, Misery?
Of course. I wouldn't be here if I was sick or anything. I have to sneeze. I gotta go. Not only did he get knocked out the window, but he has a pretty good chance of getting large pox. Not everyone can handle the symptoms. Oh. Next.